In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process that helps you keep your financial records clean and accurate. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your username and password, then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions section in the left-hand menu. From there, select Bank Transactions. This is where all the transactions linked to your bank accounts appear. Scroll through the list to find the transaction you want to remove. When you locate it, click the checkbox next to it to select it. With the transaction selected, look for the Exclude button at the top of the screen. Clicking Exclude will remove the transaction from your records. It's important to note that using Exclude is safer than deleting outright. QuickBooks keeps excluded transactions separate, so you can always recover them later if needed. This makes it easy to correct mistakes while keeping your books accurate. And that's it. You now know how to safely delete bank transactions in QuickBooks Online, helping you maintain accurate and organized financial records. And that's how you delete bank transactions in QuickBooks. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.